Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those that don't know me, my name is Carla Calderon and welcome. So today I decided to do this video about the best dessert that you can have on any type of diet. And the reason is because it's zero carbs, zero sugar. I know, it might sound kind of weird, right? But it is the best. So let's not wait anymore and here it goes. These are the ingredients that you need for this recipe. As you can see, I am using the sugar-free lime yellow because it has zero carbohydrates and zero sugars. First, I'm going to use these 2 boxes of lime yellow. And obviously, we need boiling water. I know the box says 2 cups of boiling water and 2 of cold water, but I do my different. I have 4 cups of boiling water, but I only pour 2 cups of boiling water first. And then I mix because if I put the 4, I would not be able to see the bottom of the bowl. And you see how it looks right there? So I have to mix it really good. And that's why I only use 2 cups first. And then there we go. See the difference? Now I'm going to add the remaining 2 cups of boiling water that I had at first. So here in the bowl, I'm mixing 4 cups of boiling water, but now I'm going to add 2 more cups of boiling water. I know you might be wondering how come I'm not using 8 cups of boiling water instead. Well, if I do that, then what's going to happen is that the yellow is going to be very watery and it's not going to get stiff when I put it in the refrigerator. While my yellow is in the refrigerator, I am going to use this pan release spray. And I'm going to use this paper towel to spread it all around the mold. Now that I've gone all around, I will put it now in the fridge. Okay, so now 4 hours later, I am working on my other yellow recipe. I am using 2 boxes again. And now I'm only going to use 1 cup of boiling water. And I'm going to pour it and same as before, just mix it really good. Now I'm getting my yellow out from the refrigerator and I am going to cut it into pieces, and I'm using this thing from Tupperware, or you can use a knife. Pretty much I'm trying to cut them into squares. Back to the yellow that I had pre-mixed, I am going to add heavy whipping cream, and here you can see the nutrition facts. Carbohydrates 0, dietary fiber 0, sugar 0, protein 0. And here I am pouring 4 cups, which I will mix now into the bowl with the yellow. When you add the whipping cream, you have to work very fast because otherwise your yellow, or in this case this mixture, is going to get very stiff. Now I'm going to add half a cup of whipping cream. In total here I have 4 cups and a half. And now I'm going to get my mold out of the fridge. I am now adding some yellow squares. I'm very sorry for my accent, y'all. Now here I'm noticing that the whipping cream is getting thick. To fix it, I'm going to put it in the microwave for about a minute. As soon as you get it out of the microwave, mix it really good. And it looks like this. See how more watery it looks now? Basically, I'm just trying to cover the yellow squares, and I'm moving the pan around so that way I can get every single corner. And then now I'm just going to add more of the squares and add more of the mixture. Continue to do the same thing until you get all the way to the top. There we go, and this is it. All you have to do is put it in the refrigerator. 4 hours later, you can now remove the yellow into your plate. And I'm putting some water on my fingers so that way I can separate it from the pan, as you can see here. And do not forget the metal part too. Well, and here it is, our final product, and let's put it now to the test. I am taking one small piece. Look how pretty it looks. And I'm gonna eat it now, and it is delicious.
I hope you like this video, and I hope you try out this recipe. I know you're going to love it. So I hope to see your comments down below and tell me what you think about this recipe. And if you have some other ideas about how to make a dessert that is zero carbs, let me know. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on that little bell so that way you can get notifications as soon as I upload a video. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you soon. Bye.